Jay. Geostorm. Right? Who are you? Who are you? What are you? I don't know what that was. Anybody want to talk about the geostorm? Yoo-hoo. Geostorm. There's a geostorm today. The hawk wants to know about the geostorm. Where are you? Flying in the sky? Oh. So the hawk flying in the sky wants to know about the geostorm. I wonder what I could say. During the geostorm, all the animals can talk and the people can hear them. It's a special gift during the geostorm. So we can try to make peace on Earth during the geostorm with all the animals and the people and everybody, because we can talk to them. But aside from that, in a geostorm, you can hear bad stories and good stories, and you have to choose. You have to choose which one is true. You can choose between the realms, between the dimensions and the timelines. Who's that? That's a raven kid? Ah, the owl is talking to them. So these are times for choosing. You choose the good path for the ravenkin, for the owl kind, all the different people. What happens is the sun sends a big ball of light and then it hits the earth. Even when the sun is not shining, it hits the earth. And when it hits the earth, the light has wisdom. It can teach us these things. You see? It can teach us everything. Ask it a question, you know? And this light they call Noohra or Nihra. In the old days, Noohra, Nihra. The raven was asking me more about geostorm, and it said, how will we know if there's a geostorm? And I said, if the people can hear the other beings talking, then it's likely a geostorm. Right now, that's the case because Earth is just arising to the new dimension. Later on, it'll be that the humans can mostly hear all the time, but not right now because they've forgotten. Living in the city, it cuts us off from the other beings. That's why. But these are the new times. This is new life on new Earth, and things are changing.